Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, my name is Saifullah. I welcome you all to the platform of Javed Publisher. अपनी आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 5 की कंप्यूटर स्टडीज़ के चैप्टर नंबर 7 इंटरनेट सर्चिंग एंड सर्फिंग को स्टडी करने जा रहे हैं। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपनी बुक्स की तरफ और देखते हैं इंटरनेट सर्चिंग और सर्फिंग क्या है। You know that internet is a collection of computers connected to each other all over the world. It provides different facilities to us. In this chapter, you will learn about the services provided on the internet and tips for searching and surfing on the internet. Various internet services. इंटरनेट पर आप ये तमाम सर्विसेज अवेल कर सकते हैं। Service 1 is news and information. Internet provides you the facility to read online news and get information regarding various topics such as science, technology, sports, education, etc. Service 2, online shopping. You can purchase various products like books, clothes, gift items, etc. through the internet. It is very popular nowadays. Service 3, mails and chatting. You can send and receive messages using internet. Various things such as pictures, videos, songs, text file can be sent along with the email messages. You can chat with your friends all over the world through the internet. Question 4. Video conferencing. Through video conferencing, you can communicate with each other visually. For video conferencing, you also need a device called web camera. Service 5, health and fitness. You can find health and fitness related information on the internet. You can also find information about different diseases and their remedies. You can also find immense information on fitness. Tourism and travel. Internet provides facility for online booking of hotels, railway tickets, air tickets, etc. all over the world and round the clock. Online education. Internet provides the facility to get online education. It is a very cheap and easy way to get education. Many universities provide online lectures and tutorials on different subjects or topics. You can also download these lectures or tutorials into your own computer. You can listen these lectures repeatedly as per your convenience. Online education is also known as distance learning and consists of taking classes through the internet. अब हम सीखेंगे browser क्या होता है. Know your browser. A browser is an application software which is used to open websites. For example, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Google Chrome, etc. Internet Explorer is one of the commonly used browsers developed by Microsoft Corporation. The ongoing version of Internet Explorer is IE 11. You can check the version of Internet Explorer loaded on your computer by the following steps. Step 1. Open Internet Explorer by clicking the Start, Windows System, Internet Explorer. Now press Alt plus H and then click on About Internet Explorer option. इस तरीके से आप अपने इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर के वर्जन को चेक कर सकते हैं. इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर विंडो. लेट्स लर्न अबाउट डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर विंडो. बैक एंड फॉरवर्ड. Clicking these buttons takes you to the previous and next page respectively. Home. Clicking this page takes you to the home page of the site. Favorites. Favorites include bookmarks and history. It helps you to mark the pages for later references and open browser history. Refresh. Clicking this button tells the browser to reload the web page. Tools. Displays basic commands like file, print, etc. and useful tools. Search. It is a very effective tool that helps you to get information on a topic by entering keywords related to the topic. Address bar. You can type address of a website or web page in this box to open it. तो viewers, ये थे हमारे web browser के components. Now we will learn how to open a website in a web browser. Opening a website in web browser. To open a website, type website address in address bar in a web browser window and press enter button. Internet surfing. Surfing the internet is undirected type of exploration of the World Wide Web, where user follows one interesting link to another without a definite objective or planned search strategy. Browsing is exploration of World Wide Web with a definite objective, but without a planned search strategy. Searching on internet. Searching is just trying to find the information you need. Searching on the internet is objective and strategy-based exploration. Tools for searching. A common search tool used to search for information through the internet is called web search engine. A web search engine is a special website designed to search for information on the internet. Some examples of search engine are www.google.com, www.yahoo.com, www.bing.com, www.ask.com, www.msk.com, www.aol.com, www.wow.com, www.webcrawler.com. Points to remember while searching. Use the right keywords. For example, for information on tennis, do not look into the soccer section. Search result will provide related topics and information, so do not expect to find the results in the first search itself. If the desired results are not produced in a search engine, try the same with other search engines. Now we will learn what is the difference between Internet and World Wide Web. Internet is a massive network of computer networks. It connects millions of computers together globally, forming a network in which any computer can communicate with any other computer as long as they are connected to the Internet. The World Wide Web, or simply web, is a way of accessing information over the medium of the Internet. It is an information sharing model that is built on top of the Internet. The web uses the HTTP protocol to transmit data. The web also utilizes browsers such as Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox to access web documents called web pages that are linked to each other via hyperlinks. Now we will learn how to search using www.google.com. www.google.com is a popular search engine to search for information on the internet. For example, to find information about Indian hill stations, do the following. Step 1. In web browser, type the keyword hill station of Pakistan. In search text box, a list of topics related to Pakistani hill stations will be displayed. Click on any link. The related web page will be displayed in the same window. Or right click on any link and select Open in New tab option. The required page will be opened in New tab in the same window. Searching video. The steps to search for videos on the internet are: Step 1. Open the search engine in a web browser. Type the name of the video you are searching for in search text box and press enter key. Several options are displayed. Click on videos option. You will get more related video links. Searching books. There are many websites available on the internet which provide free electronic version of books which we can read online. Some of them are www.bookboon.com, www.readbookonline.net. You can open these websites and search the books to read them. Online dictionaries. There are many websites available on the internet which provide free electronic versions of online dictionaries. Some of the popular online dictionary sites are given below: www.dictionaryproject.org, www.hindienglishdictionary.org, www.dictionary.com, www.a-z-dictionaries.com, www.online-dictionaries.biz, www.shabdkosh.com, www.yourdictionary.com, www.oxforddictionaries.com. Searching locations and paths on internet. Internet is also used to search for a particular location and path. The Maps tool on www.google.com is one of the best location finder on the internet. Steps to search for a location and path are: Step 1. Open a web browser and then open www.google.com. Step 2. Click on Google Apps button on the top right of the page and select Maps. Google Maps appears on the page. Type the place name in the text box and press Enter key. For example, try to locate Minar-e-Pakistan, Lahore using Google Map. A red color bubble appears on the map with the name of the location or place. Now click on Directions below the search box. Search box expands and divides into two text boxes, one for starting point and second for destination. Enter the starting point and destination and press Enter key. A suggested path appears on the map. The map changes dynamically on the right pane. The map can be zoomed in or out by using the zoom slider. तो ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 7 इंटरनेट सर्चिंग एंड सर्फिंग, जिसमें हमने इंटरनेट के मुख्तलिफ सर्विसेज के बारे में पढ़ा और इंटरनेट को किस तरह से इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब क्या है। तो चलिए चलते हैं, आपने इस चैप्टर का क्विक रिव्यू करते हैं। इंटरनेट प्रोवाइड्स यू द फैसिलिटी टू रीड ऑनलाइन न्यूज़ एंड गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन. यू कैन सेंड एंड रिसीव मैसेजेस यूजिंग इंटरनेट. Health and fitness related information can be found on the internet. Internet provides facility for online booking of hotels, railway tickets, air tickets, etc. A web browser is an application software which is used to open websites. Surfing the internet is undirected type of exploration of the World Wide Web, while browsing is exploration with a definite objective, but without a planned search strategy. Searching is just trying to find the information on internet. तो viewers, ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 7 सर्चिंग एंड सर्फिंग. मुझे उम्मीद है इसके साथ ही आपको इंटरनेट के बारे में बहुत सी नई चीज़ों के बारे में पता चला होगा. मैं मिलूंगा आपसे अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसी चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज के साथ. तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफिज़.